Hello everyone. Welcome back to Health Options 101, your go-to place for quick and fun health tips. Let's be honest, we've all done it. You grab a snack while watching TV, scrolling on your phone, or working at your desk. Before you know it, the whole bag is gone. That, my friends, is mindless snacking, and it can seriously add up to extra calories without you even realizing it. Let's break it down. Number 1. You eat more than you think. When you snack while distracted, your brain doesn't fully register how much you're eating. Studies show that people who eat while watching TV or scrolling eat up to 25% more. That handful of chips? It turns into half the bag without you even noticing. Number 2. Those calories add up fast. A few extra snacks here and there may not seem like a big deal, but over time, it can lead to weight gain. Just 100 extra calories a day. That's like a small handful of nuts, which can add up to 10 extra pounds in a year. Number 3. It messes with your hunger signals. Snacking out of boredom or habit, instead of hunger, confuses your body. Over time, you might stop recognizing real hunger cues, making you eat even when you're not actually hungry. Number 4. How to stop mindless snacking. Okay, so how do you break the habit? Try these simple tricks. First, portion your snacks. Don't eat straight from the bag. Second, eat at a table, not in front of a screen. Third, drink water first. Sometimes thirst feels like hunger. Fourth, keep unhealthy snacks out of sight. If it's not easy to grab, you'll think twice. Snacking isn't bad, it's mindless snacking that gets us. Be mindful, listen to your hunger, and make better choices. Your body will thank you. Thanks for watching Health Options 101. What's your go-to healthy snack? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more quick and fun health tips. See you next time.